Don't tell him. He's about to discover the end to boring cupcakes. Introducing Cupcake Secret Bakeware. It lets you bake a secret inside every cupcake you make. What treats you put in them, that's up to you. Try marshmallows, peanut butter cups, cookie dough too. Your favorite piece of soft chocolate candy will hide there inside and melt up just dandy. Your best treats sit here on each hiding post. Then add the batter that you like the most. The batter surrounds the secret surprise, so they'll never know there's a yummy inside. What's better than cupcakes with something inside? A pan that gives you 2 ways to hide. The bake-in surprise cups create a small space. Then put yummy things in your new hiding place. Fill it with frosting. There's never too much. Then give it your own special finishing touch. Try colorful sprinkles. Pudding's great too. Fruit or cream filling? It's all up to you. Hide your secret with icing or sprinkles. You can't go wrong, because you know they won't stay hidden for long. But wait, your secret doesn't have to be sweet. Peppers and cheese in corn muffins, a savory treat. A blueberry muffin stuffed with blueberries. That would be neat. Our non-stick silicone bakeware is dishwasher safe, and our built-in steam cups are the secret to extra moist cupcakes.
Get in on the secret.